Yo, what's up guys? Shout out sa inyo. Pasensya na hindi ko na nakuha yung mga pangalan nyo isa-isa kasi ang dami nyo. Pero sobrang thanks, appreciated ko lahat nung yung pakikisalamuhan ninyo sa akin. And I hope one day we gonna catch up soon. So comment nyo lang ako para mag-catch up tayo sa next So God bless kasi yung mga galing church. So natuwa ako sa kanila mga lalaki from border. They're from border, Aposamra border, Saudi go. Filipinos, yeah. So they going here in Doha para mag-church. So napaka-religyoso. Nakakatuwa yung mga taong ganun. God bless, God bless. So salamat sa tubig na binigay ninyo sa akin. This video is for you guys. This is the new salon here in Al Nasser Street. The name is the M Beauty Salon. So this is with spa hairstyle. Magaling yung dito, yung may-ari kasi dati siyang nagtatrabaho sa salon. She's working from salon, so she knows how to she knows how to handle the customer well. And this salon is opening soon, maybe after Eid. So it's very soon. I hope you guys visit this place. It's located on this area. That's opposite of Mirkab Mall. That's the Mirkab Mall. That's along the street. And there is a bench. You see the bench? So the owner asked me to get inside to show the beauty of this M Beauty Salon. Come on, let's go. See that? This is the salon looks like. So this is a woman's salon, and wala ko dalang big camera because I'm just filming with this small guy. But probably I need a big guy. Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna shoot here for dynamic videos. But let's get inside. I'm gonna tour you around. This is the looks like of this salon. There is I don't know what you can call this. Let's go up. This Beauty Salon is amazing. The ambience is so nice. So you see their equipment. So these are the equipments. I don't know exactly what's the name, what they call these equipments, but this is for ladies beauty salon. So you guys visit their Instagram, the M Beauty Salon. So you're gonna be updated, and they're gonna open soon. Like maybe after Eid. They're still designing the interiors and the equipment is still not here. And brother, what do you call this? This chair? What do you call this chair?
This chair, people is sit here. After he cut nail.
Ah, for nail. For nail.
Okay.
Okay.
This one, remove this one. Yes, it.
So they're gonna demo.
Put here your legs.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'm the first one who sit on this chair. I'm glad because Madam the owner asked me to get here, to tour inside on her salon. So this is for now. I'm gonna put water here. For manicure. This chair is for manicure. So in this washroom, maybe the customer will gonna take a shower. There's a shower here. It's like kind of a steam bath, but it's not hot here. It's only like maybe for relaxing after this hair sliding or I don't know. And then customer will take a shower. Maybe because I'm not into salon. I don't know exactly what's inside, but this is my first time to get inside of the woman beauty salon. Because here, it's not allowed, the male is not allowed to get inside the beauty salon. But maybe like during the opening, maybe I'm gonna come here to take a videos for this shop, for this salon, for their Instagram. Maybe let's go down. Do you see this chair? Yeah, this is when the customer will wash her hair again. So that is our pantry. And this is space on the ground. I went up and then you see the equipment. It's not complete yet. So that's how they make the signboard. My tour is over. Punta mo na ako dun sa ano? Mechanics.
Vlogger pala siya. Sino? Siya. Meron siyang vlog.
Yeah, bye. Oo. Dahil lang, nag-ikot-ikot. Say, how are you?
Dito mo na nasa yan.
Sa You tried! You tried! I almost got accident over there. I go with the green light and then suddenly there's a vehicle came across and then I break my board, then I lost my control, out of balance, so I fell down. This street is amazing. There's a lot of people here and still cold, you know. It's already like it's almost April, end of the month. I mean, next week is the end of Ramadan, and it's still cold out here. So there's a lot of people. Parang pasimple nga lang.
Ang simple nga eh.
Hindi nila na,
Pag
hindi nila nahalata na great. Kasi dito, lagi sinisita pre ng ano, pag madaanan ka ng pulis na ganun ka ng camera.
yan,
Sinisita.
sabihin mo lang na.
Ito, wala, naka-record lang. Kaya minsan nakakausap ko pulis, di niya alam, nagre-record na yung ano.
Sabihin mo safety.
Oo.
Nakikita ba yan pag nagre-record?
Hindi.
Kita yata eh. Yun mo. Maandar.
Pagkapapansinin niya.
Maandar. Diba? Maandar siya eh. Pwedeng takpan din yan eh. Para hindi nila makita.
Yung ito?
Takpan mo yan saka dito.
Hmm.
Para hindi nila makita.
Hindi mapansin eh, no?
Oo, hindi nila mapansin.
Bagay.
Ikaw lang nakakakita. Pinakakaalam na nakarecord mo pala.
Met one kabayan here from Uncle Tetsu. His name is Jomar. He wanna vlog as well, but he said I'm shy to do it. He said no, you have to surpass that embarrassment, because vlogging is not embarrassment. It's a game for me. You don't have to shy. And then about the camera, as I said, you can use your cell phone, you can use your mobile, and then download the application, and yeah, good to go. You can edit it through your mobile. Invest camera whenever you need the camera. If you can afford to buy camera, then buy expensive one. But for me, if you are a blogger, you don't have to use any high-end camera. Just at least you have, because right now I'm using a GoPro. It's like comfortable for me. It's more convenient for me because I just mounted here on my helmet, and then I'm filming along the street. That's Jomar. See that Jomar? That's what I'm talking about. So he wanted to do a vlog here, and I advise him like here in Qatar, because he's maybe 2 years here. I advise him that here in Qatar you don't have to stay for quiet long, as long as you save your salary, and then once you have fun, then you go back to Philippines and do business or anything. Maybe you can do farming. Because here there's no growth here. I've seen a lot of people here that they stay for about 20 years, 30 years, and then there's still nothing. You know, they're still scats. Because the more high salary you get, the more expenses you spend. So, like the lifestyle and maluho. I don't know what's maluho in English. But anyway, now it's almost this is the last week of Ramadan, because Ramadan is ending next week, maybe on Friday. So it's gonna be back to normal again, to regular days. So people are start working in the morning and in the afternoon, and then the stores are gonna close maybe like 1 a.m. because this mechanics will gonna close around 4 o'clock in the morning. See, I got a new subscriber now. That's right.
Hello.
It's kabayan. So because my vlog is meant for giving advice to fellow kabayan, some tutorials.
Check my Facebook. The man from Cavite.
Ah, you do vlogging, sir?
Just right vlogging.
Ah.
Video vlogging.
Nice.
Opinions,
Yeah.
information.
I'm gonna stand, so yeah, it's a long board.
I just started last few months ago, but I'm not.
What's your channel, sir?
The man from Cavite.
The man from Cavite. Ah. Nice. Okay, sir. Ano kita, subscribe kita sa Facebook.
Tapos paano mo na rin sa ano.
Ah.
Medyo hindi ako masyado nag-focus.
Serious, nagpa-vlog siya, but Facebook, because my platform, I'm using YouTube platform, I stop uploading on Facebook platform. So I usually do on the YouTube. So don't forget, follow the man from Cavite.
Yes.
Facebook. So you can see the content of
You can
sir.
message me what things do you want to discuss about our home country, the Philippines.
So ano yung mga content mo, sir?
Puro makabayan na yan.
Makabayan? Sige, minsan mag-podcast tayo, sir.
Sige. Sige.
Sige, pagkano.
Sabi mo, message mo ako doon sa
Message kita.
Facebook.
The man from Cavite. Okay. So I'm gonna message you because I'm gonna invite sir to for a podcast. Yeah, so because I'm doing a podcast.
Ano pangalan mo?
Noah.
Noah, yun talaga yung pangalan mo.
Mm.
Terence.
Actually, second YT. Kasi yung dati ko na black.
Na black. Nice meeting you
Yeah,
naman.
thank you, sir.
God
Thank you,
bless.
sir. Yeah.
Ingat sa pag matagal na akong lumipas dyan.
You see, so that's vlogging. So anyone, I mean, like a lot of people understood that they don't mind what you are doing. Like that's when they saw you that you are vlogging, and then they kind of amazed. So you just don't have to feel embarrassed. So if you see this video, the first clip was vlog. It's because I'm using ISO like minimum 100 and maximum 100, and I'm in a low light situation. So now it's a bit clear, it's a bit light because I adjust the ISO at 100, the maximum. So I'm not controlling it. I'm not controlling now the shutter speed and the aperture because this is GoPro. Anyway, you can control it, you can use manual, but GoPro is designed for automatic, so you can just adjust you can adjust the ISO to limit it like maximum 800. But because if you're gonna go above that 800, it's gonna give you like more green on your video clips. So that's why on the morning, on the daylight, like I'm just adjusting the ISO like maximum 100 or 200. But like now I forgot to adjust the ISO, so I'm using like 100 a while ago, and then the clip is so dark. And now you can check on here, this is maximum 100 ISO. So the ISO is the camera sensor, you know. Maybe I'm gonna create a demo on that. I mean like tutorial for how to use your camera, like how to use the ISO, the aperture, and the shutter speed. What are you doing? Still busy, bro?
Not busy. This one system not good. Yeah.
You have to change your system. This guy is best employee of the month. You know?
Gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show 'em what I got, I'm competitive.